Hi ladies, welcome or welcome back to the channel. And for today's video, before even in fact starting today's video, I should tell you what my plans are for this weekend, which is to go for a Savannah shopping spree. Yes, you heard that right, because Savannah is coming up with their weekend sale. Yes, you're gonna have 50% off flash sale on Savannah. So the timings are from Saturday 10 a.m. to Monday 10 a.m. Every 24 hours the collection is refreshed. And above everything, if you guys still don't know, I have a coupon code that is Tanisha362. You can use it throughout the year to get so much discount. I think so it's up to 25% off. Let's talk about the top that I'm wearing right over here. I am so in love with the print, the color, the orange pink play is something very cute. I would prefer wearing this for like a lunch brunch sort of a vibe. It looks very statement sort of a style. You can just wear like normal white pants along with this one, or you can wear like denim jeans along with this one, but I feel like it's more like a chic and classy vibe, yet it is more playful looks because of the colors that I used over here. And it is like a mesh net all over, so the ruched style also makes it look very pretty and very unique. One of the most inexpensive tops that I have over here is going to be this one, and again I'm in love with the cutout detailing of this one. Then you have the sweetheart neckline sort of a situation going on, and then piche mein you have this cutout detailing, which is also really unique. So you can easily wear a strapless bra along with this one, and iska material is like so soft and it is really stretchable. Knitted material जो होता है ना, उस तरह का ये material है. You have a cute सा bow over here as well. It's one of the very cute style. This is how it looks like. It's like a crop waistcoat, vest, whatever you want to call it. It's black in color. I went for black because it really suits so many things, and अगर मुझे इसको layer up करना होगा with some other blazer or something like that, then that is also a kind of a moment. तो ये crop style में काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है with high waisted trousers. The material is really thick. You have two buttons over here. You also have like a fake pocket style over here. Formal yet a little bit more fun and stylish. Then this is the piece that I would always wear. You have color option of beige, brown, white. To go along with that, I've got the perfect pair of trousers over here. I wanted a beige color ka trouser from such a long time. I didn't have, and I found the perfect one. It is like a tailored pant type का आपको look मिलेगा इसमें सामने से. पीछे में you have this elastic detailing, so you can easily wear this one. मेरे को इतने अच्छे से ये fit आया है ना. I'm so in love with this fit. So damn comfortable. I was feeling like I'm wearing some cotton linen pants. Literally it is that comfortable. I'm not hyping it up more than what it deserves. I love everything about it, and it literally comes in like 5-6 different colors. Next up, I want to again show you a pant as well. If you look at it, you might say it's like a pajama style or whatever, but you can easily wear it outside. These pants, like striped pants. I love the pink color and the white stripes on this one. It's so playful, fun, summery. अगर आप इसको अच्छे से style करोगे ना, ये बहुत classy लगने वाला है. I was wearing a white crop top. It will also look good with a white tank top if you want to go for something like that, or if you want to go with the pink aesthetic only, तो आप वो भी कर सकते हो. It's polyester blend sort of material, but again it's like really breathable. It's really long in length. It's good for the tall girlies. Then next up I have this play suit slash jumpsuit sort of a style. I was not sure if it will look that good on me or not, but when I wore it, it was so damn good. The fit, absolutely amazing. It's like a jumpsuit, so it comes with like a pants with it, so you don't have to worry about the shorts and everything. And it comes with like a belt over here, belt detailing है, तो आपको waist को एकदम cinch up मिल जाता है. If this is something that you would love to wear, this is something that is your style, definitely go for this. This is smart, but at the same time it accentuates your curves and everything. It looks really smart. It's a polyester blend sort of material, but it's like a very breathable material. You can wear like nude undergarments around it, inside it. Then again I have this crop top. मेरी एक grey color की crop t-shirt है that I've got from Savannah. Every single person will ask me for that link all the time because it's definitely that good. The fit is that good, the stretch is that good, the color, the style, design, everything is so good about it that मेरे को ऐसा similar piece चाहिए था, and I got this one, and it looks really cool and smart. ऐसा basic tee एक आपके पास होना ही होना चाहिए. It will go with literally anything you want to wear on days when you don't want to put your head into styling and all of that. इस तरह की कोई basic tee ले लो, उसके साथ denim jeans वगैरह डाल लो, या फिर कोई एक fun statement jeans टाइप की कुछ डाल लो. Wear nice sunglasses and shoes and everything, and you're good to go. I didn't want to shop a lot of dresses this time, but I did shop for it. This dress is a very unique style. It's full of this lace detailing. I don't usually go for lace that much. I love satin finishes, and this is a very sophisticated vibe. Like literally, I have not worn something like this in a really long time. So this is really sophisticated vibe, really cute and poised and like nice. एक बहुत feminine look है इसका because of the lace detailing, because of the light baby blue color as well. It has a zip line in the back. It has this lace detailing and अंदर में inner lining भी है, and it's not seen through at all. The length is also pretty proper. It's not like very short as well. So this is this green maxi dress. You know, Pinterest में ऐसे बहुत सारे dresses है, the long dresses with the elastic line over here. इस तरह का पिकनिकी वाइब है इसका, बट ऑब्वियसली द कलर इज स्लाइटली लाइक दिस ऑलिव ग्रीन कलर दैट आई चोज बिकॉज मेरे पास लाइट कलर के बहुत हो चुके थे. इट्स अ वेरी लाइट मटेरियल. इट्स लाइक अ कॉटन, नॉट वेरी मच कॉटन बट लाइक अ कॉटन ब्लेंड मटेरियल. इट कम्स विद द जिप एट द बैक. आई लव द पफ स्लीव डिटेलिंग एज वेल, and it looks very cute and feminine and playful type ka. You can wear it the entire day. Actually, these kind of dresses my mom also loves to wear a lot, so I usually buy these kind of long dresses for my mom as well, and it looks really cute क्योंकि एकदम solid simple color का है, so you can add something fun to it or you can add something minimal to it as well. So yeah, I think so that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And you know my coupon code, you can use that. You can enjoy the sale every weekend. I think so ये बहुत सारे weekends में आने वाला है. Keep checking out the flash sale. And yeah, I'll see you until next time. Take care of yourself. Tata, bye bye.